Edone uzomo wa ya bebe ne kai no wala ho eveni ma gwa kana una ga uru no zedone la ho gai no wa geve wa gai no gba ewo yabo even no kan even ne okari oba si egwa e ma gwa kana wa miewe ne even na ya sinu kedo ga de egwa e ma ya emudia he ne egwa ka riunu yo ne egwa igwa kan ne ekene egwa ri mudiaji e ba ni ke kan mudiaji edo we eme ovema gwali dagbo ora kan ne ohogwe pa ne pe ara de e mata na pa edene eme ne e mata re ba e gbera ibude wa mi we egwa ma egwa yo kedo ga de baba nia egwa gwa kan ne be edene nia eme ne egwa igwa kan we ne ui oge 1979 okari oba munyahu no ya gwe egwa even iya do zazen ui ni yotone ni awe eve ni eta eri ui ni kai kiye kemani kosu soja gele lehia iya ga owe evani kemani emne gwa gben la jana kina we eve ne ui ni kai we Oba of Benin is the sole traditional ruler in Edo South. Enigies are chiefs. Wa me we ne na ya so kedo ga de okare oba iye wa mo nyan we ave ni geni we traditional rulers in ra tiyan e odun no ni mo ya ne we ave ni geni iye traditional rulers le ne okare oba mu ebe ni kai we they are traditional chiefs. No ba zeyevo no awoba le don de evo oba e obezian okari oba e ozian ge ni wa dai ho nia emine egwa egben ladian le edene nia avana eyan gbon ladian na ni wa lai ho ni wa dai ho e. The Oba of Benin is the sole traditional ruler in Edo South. Enigies are chiefs. Benin Traditional Council Ogbon Ladian Udwe Oyenahin. The Benin Traditional Council BTC this afternoon in a release said that the Enigies are not traditional rulers but chiefs under the control of the Oba of Benin Kingdom. The release, which clarified the misunderstanding of the structure of the traditional institution of Benin Kingdom in Edo State. The release titled Clarification on the Structure of the Benin Traditional Institution was signed by two senior advocates, Professor Yemi Akinseye San and Professor Edoba Omorege San. It reads, it has come to the attention of the Benin Traditional Council, the only competent traditional council in the 7 local government area of Edo South Senatorial District, that there is a complete misunderstanding of the true structure of the traditional institution of the Benin Kingdom and invariably the Benin Traditional Council. The statement added that for the avoidance of doubt, the Benin Traditional Council BTC wishes to clarify as follows that the Oba of Benin is the sole traditional ruler in the whole 7 local government area constituting Edo South Senatorial District, which is to say in Oredo, Ego, Ikobaoka, Ovia Southwest, Ovia Northeast, Oriomo, and Uhuade local government areas of Edo State. That all traditional title holders in the entire 7 local government area of Edo South Senatorial District aforementioned are not more than chiefs appointed by the Oba of Benin. That in particular, the Enige in the entire 7 local government areas of Edo State are classified as chief and not traditional rulers. That in the said 7 local government area of Edo South Senatorial District, the Enige are chiefs representing the Oba of Benin in various communities or domains to which they are sent. That all the Enige are required to relate with the Oba of Benin through the palace chiefs of the Oba, being the traditional channel of communication unless waived by the Oba. That this age-long traditional hierarchy is undisputed and fully captured under Benin customary law, which is also affirmed and declared in the traditional rulers and chief edicts of 1979 as applicable in Edo State. The Benin Traditional Council has therefore called on Benin's and other Nigerians to disregard the misinformation being spread around. In light of the foregoing, we firmly advise the general public to take notice of this traditional structure of the Benin Traditional Council and disregard the misinformation being spread about the status of traditional title holders in Benin Kingdom. Signed, Benin Traditional Council. Wahonenia, owa enwango, iagbe orie meho we obedokpa, yokpa, enu imu no traditional ruler. Avenige, traditional ruler. Traditional chiefs enyahin, wabere vene ya tieban. Traditional chiefs enyahin, no ba zeyewo. No awoba we don devil. Oba kuziyan. Na mi when governor do control. Oba be ziyan we yewo. Government ari oba. Imene ari oba na rio no ziun ye even no kan tradition no wala wa gai wa ge eve na no ve na gbonya we even ne okari oba gbegba even to oewu iyele egbe avenige na no te no gia evo your babo wa bere ne we okari oba ozavenige oba oze avenige wala wa gai na gboya oliri kebe onyankan ne okari oba uno si ye otedo o no si oviri gbovara ni manedo ni mahia ni mane nwa ni mahia ni mae we ne emi ya ye oni ewe ni segedo ham waya we se o iwe mi oge uruewedo no edo language na gben na tieke na ze oga ere sun o en wala o wagari e comment no ka o the comment section waga make le link ni yiba wa ya follow ma ve e page ni waga woni ne oni de ma wa deba so pa ne urani iwe mi oga ere sun wa hia we se o oba atokpe ise